Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. I'm a very big air conditioner of yours.
MashaAllah, may Allah Azza wa Jalla increase you in coolness.
Since I'm from Australia, I have been eating Tim Tams my whole life, which is a popular chocolate biscuit brand here. And I just recently found out that they contain 0.05% alcohol. So I was wondering if that invalidates all my salat.
Okay, first of all, good day. And second of all, no, there's no problem with such a negligible 0.05% of alcohol. This has no impact. Even if you eat the whole box, it will not intoxicate you. And the scholars all agree that this is negligible and there's no problem in that, inshallah.